Okay, let's see if the audio improved. One game. Okay, so we have a meta and we have this mech, a mech card. We're gonna wait for a spike throw. Nice. Okay, and we got our spike throw. We're not gonna be able to kill any of them, so we'll just use poison for now. He has a lot of energy, so he might be attacking this round. Let's see. He gained 2. I used 1. So he probably has, I think, 6 energy right now. Yeah, it's attacking. It's probably gonna die, but at least we got to draw 3 cards. Hey, it survived! Well, never mind, it's dead now. We did get to draw a lot of cards, so I'm happy with that. Now, 45 and 54, yeah, this was probably... And we still have 1 energy for this. Let's just maybe try to defend. Okay, let's hope we kill him. I think we will. Yeah, more than enough. Didn't do anything, must be saving us energy, but there's no point. Ah, shoot. Let's do that then. That should still do it. Yep. Okay. That's what the insurance is for. Now, does he have life gain? No, he doesn't. And he barely has damage. So he's dead. He's dead. Almost. He didn't even bother defending. There you go. That was a quick win. Still bad MMR. 1, 2, 7, 2. We only got 5 from that. Okay. Well,